Hi guys, welcome to Budget with Lizzy, and say hi to little Lucy. So today I finally get to see what I saved in my pay date challenge. So we're going to count out each month and see how much the total is. So if that's something you would like to see, stay tuned and here we go. So we're gonna count each month and then we'll add up the final total. But I started this challenge, I don't remember when I started the channel, I started it. So I printed out all the dates, pay dates that I have for the entire year, and I just stuffed it and didn't count. So we'll finally find out together how much I saved. So this will be going in the garbage, and I have my new pay date challenge here, which I'm going to start stuffing. I'm going to start stuffing in my next cash stuffing. So that's my new one. Oops. So let's see. So I hope you guys having a great start of the new year. So for January, we have 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 61, 62. You know what? Let's just write it right here. So $62. I don't think I have any hundreds in there, so. For February, 20, 40, $50. Seems kind of low for February. Let's see, 23. Nope, 50. For March, we have 20, 40, 60, 80. Let's take this out. So March, received $80. April, $20, $30, $35, $40, $41, $42, $43, $44, $64, $61, $60, $20, $40, $50, $55, $55, $60, $61, $62, $63, $64, $65, $66. And that was April. For May, we have $20, $30, $35, $40, $45, $50, $51, $52, $53, $54, $55, $56, $57, $58. For June, 20, 40, 60, 75. July, 20, 40, 60, 65, 66. August, with the missing A. 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85. August is 85. Because that had 5 weeks. September has 20, 40, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, $70. October has 20, 40, 60, 62. November has 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Again, that was 5 weeks. And then finally, December. $20, 40, 50, 55, 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's 70. And this was such an easy challenge. So that's why I want to do it again. So my little binder. I love you. I'm going to find something to do with you because I don't want to get rid of you. So if we add up all the amounts for each month, 62, 50, 80, 66, 58, 75, 66, 85, 70, 62, 80, and 70. We saved $824. That's what's up. And this is going to be my spa money. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So that's 5, 20, 40, 60, 80, 580. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 25, 40, 25, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 99, 100. And then singles, of course. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, and then 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. 824. That's what I said before. 824 was saved in this challenge. I think I did say. $824. So I saved $824 in my Paycheck challenge. So this is going to be my money for all the hard work throughout the year of 2022. All that pushing, and I was able to pay off like 10,000, over 10,000 in my debt, and I'm so proud of myself. So I don't care. So that's why I'm stocking up on my challenges. One of my next video would be sharing the challenges that I want to try for the new year 2023. So hope you guys will join me. So I save $824, and that's going to be for me. I'm checking out this spa in New Jersey where you can go have the pool and massages and all that good stuff. So I'm going to see if I can get someone to go with me, and that would be it. So I want to thank you guys for watching. It was a very short video. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, all that good stuff. Leave me a comment. Try out your Paycheck challenge and save some money. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and thanks for watching. Bye.